Whoa, 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 what is that? Whoa, whoa, no way, no way, no way, dude. No way! What is going on, guys? So we are out here on a canal that I've been dying to fish for years. It was a 2-hour boat ride. So there's not many places or any other place really that I'd want to take a boat ride that long to get to, but I've seen some huge fish here. It's just that you can't fish here from land. So we're gonna go all out today, man. I got 6 rods, we got 2 carp, we got like 20 mullet, we got shrimp, we got a cast net, we got artificials. Let's catch a giant alligator gar. Let's do it. All right, first bait going out. That is a giant carp head. Let's go ahead and toss that out. All my conventional reels seem to have broken at the same time. So I got this reel that I bought like 2 years ago that had some issues. And then I got this Akuma Avenger that I got when I was like 11. We're gonna have to move down. The current's way too strong here today. Alrighty guys, so we have giant gar rolling all around us, but unfortunately this water is freezing. So I think we're gonna have to really work for a bite. They're here. It's just, are they hungry? We're gonna do everything in our power to catch one. I'm just trying to stay optimistic, man, because the last 2 weekends have sucked for fishing. Okay guys, we're trying a different spot. There's no current here. I have no idea if there's any gar here. I'll be honest, I don't want to fish here, but if I don't try it, I won't know. It's still early in the day, so I may give it like 30, 40 minutes just to see, and then we'll go back to the other spot. And considering this does connect to that body of water, what I may do is go to the mouth of this so we don't catch any back here, put 2 rods into this canal, and then the other 2 back out into the main canal. Oh, you got something in here. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that's the biggest shad I've ever seen in my life. That is the biggest shad I've ever seen in my life. What is that? What is that? What in the world? We gotta get a weight on it. Let's put these other guys in the ice chest. Oh my gosh. Guys, look at the size of the shad. Oh my goodness, dude. I've never, ever seen a shad even close to this size. It's like a carp. Let's get a weight on it. 2 pounds, 8 ounces. That is nuts. That is absolutely nuts. Well, if we can't catch a gar in this little pocket here, at least we can catch a lot of bait. So let's keep doing that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We found the shad motherlode, dude. All right, we're back at the main part of the canal where it meets the smaller canal. All right, guys. Well, since we just caught some fresh shad, we might as well match the hatch. All right, fresh shad going way out. Let's hope that current isn't too strong for this 3 ounce of lead. Well guys, you won't believe it, but we finally freaking got one, man. Oh my gosh, today has been long, but we got one on. I think he's still on. I can't really tell because of this current. No, he's not on there, dang it. It's a good sign though, man. I get what it's like to fish in Texas now. The fish don't mind if there's a live liner, if there's current. That's crazy. Usually I can't leave the live liner on. Oh, we're on a snag. Okay, you guys, we came all the way back to the spot where we lost this fish in the beginning. I'm not seeing fish roll anywhere, so we're just gonna try it out. Oh yeah, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Holy shad. Oh my gosh. This is like the best bait day ever, man. Guys, this fish is committed. he's definitely pulling faster than any gar we've had today. I think this actually might be a decent sized one. I think all the other ones were very small. Where is he? Where is he? Like what? Guys, we got one on. I'm just gonna set the hook. I'm just gonna set it right here. Yep, we got one on. I'm just gonna set the hook. Oh, goodness frick. Are these fish just like tiny? Like, I don't know what's going on, man. It is so discouraging, man, to continuously go fishing and not catch fish for the last like 2 or 3 weeks. It is very difficult. They're biting, but the ones that are biting are very small, and every time they feel any tension whatsoever, they're dropping the bait. So for this rod right here, look at that. Yeah, he literally dropped it as soon as he pulled the line out. Whoa, 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 what is that? What is that? What is that? Whoa, whoa, no way, no way, no freaking way. Oh, no freaking way. No way, dude. No way. It's a paddlefish. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You guys, what did we just catch in our freaking cast net? Oh my gosh. That is the first time I've ever seen one of these in person. I've never seen one before. That is a paddlefish. Look at that thing. Wow. 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 All right. Thought it was a big blue cat at first. Let's look at this thing a little bit and then get him back. Look at that. Look at that gill plate. These are filter feeders. These don't eat anything other than plankton, really. That is incredible. Look at that thing, man. Wow. He's ready to go, but I don't want to let him leave yet. Look at that thing. What just happened? Gotcha. Gotcha. What is that? That's not a, oh my gosh, that might be a PB catfish. Oh my gosh, that is not a gar. Oh my gosh. What the heck? That's a giant catfish. Please stay on. That is a giant catfish, guys. That is a giant catfish. Okay, guys. All right, we're gonna be patient. We're not gonna horse him in. We're gonna get him. We're gonna get him. Oh my gosh, this is a giant fish, guys. Okay. Okay. What's up?
What's up, yo?
What's going on?
Been going along on private property.
I thought past the bridge.
No, all of this is all private, all the way up to the game reserve.
Oh, okay. Well, I was told by the man over there that this was just past the bridge.
Which man told you that?
Man on the... I went fishing over there last summer. He said I can fish up to the bridge and off the bridge. He said I just can't go past it.
Nope. Nope, private.
What's up?
If the owner comes, he's gonna run you off.
Gotcha.
It's all sheriff's office. Job, bud.
No, it's all good. So I don't think you should ever push your luck or break the rules around fishing somebody else's property. I genuinely did not know that that was private. Like I said, I had a guy tell me I can fish up to the bridge last summer. So once I got my boat ready, I was like, all right, I'm gonna try it. And that was that. And as soon as that guy told me, he was nice about it, obviously, but as soon as that guy told me, I was gonna get on out of there. But you know, it happens, man. Unfortunately, a lot of bodies of water in Louisiana are private property if you don't have a boat. Even if you do have a boat, sometimes they're private property. But honestly, man, I'm so glad that this spot is not public, because I saw a lot of gar rolling, and to know that there's one spot in Louisiana that is not attacked by bow fishermen and jug lining and gar rodeos, that is cool to me, because they hit them fish hard, man. Like, there's a little gator. They hit them hard, so it's nice to know there's one spot that they're safe. Or even for me, I couldn't catch any. So let's go ahead and get out of here. We're gonna go to a new spot and hopefully catch something, man. I'm pretty distraught after losing that catfish. So if we can catch a big catfish or even a 4-foot gar, I will be ecstatic. So let's go do it. Look at that, roseate spoonbill. You don't see those too often. Alrighty, you guys, that does it for today, man. Not the day I expected, but I will take it. We saw some awesome species. We got our first paddlefish. I believe they're rare, I'm not entirely sure. And I loaded up on shad, as y'all saw, and we got a monster of a shad, 2.8 pounds. I've never seen one that big in my life. However, losing that catfish was extremely upsetting. I'm pretty distraught, like I said before. So I got revenge on my mind. However, I don't know if I can go back to that spot. That guy said we couldn't fish there, and then I saw another guy come out, so I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna go get a big catfish soon, but I think I got gar on my mind, because that's what I was targeting today, and I didn't catch any, as y'all saw. So we're gonna probably go out tomorrow. As much as I would rather lay in bed because I'm gonna be sore and tired, I care more about catching a giant gar. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna lock in, we're gonna get one. I know it, so that will be the next video. Not much else to say, man, other than the fact that that paddlefish was awesome looking. Never seen one before. I didn't even record some of it. I was just like looking at the fish. I was just like, wow. Because sometimes I'm so focused on the camera shot that I don't like take it all in. And so just seeing that in person was crazy. But as always, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next fishing video.